How to sell Bitcoin on crypto.com, sell on crypto.com. So whether it is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, whatever type of coin that you own, you can just sell them from the crypto.com map. Open up the crypto.com map and just make sure that you're signed into your account. From the bottom, you'll find the trade icon there. So tap on the trade icon. It'll ask you to buy or sell. Since we are particularly trying to sell it, we will just select the sell option there. Now over here, just select the cryptocurrency. So if you have Bitcoin and you'd like to sell it, just tap on the Bitcoin option right here. Now here, just select the amount of Bitcoin that you'd like to sell for fiat currency, which is cash, by the way. And once you've done that, you can just enter the maximum of whatever Bitcoin that you own as well, and just tap on the sell button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll also see the amount of money that you will get in conversion to that particular cryptocurrency. And at the last step, it will ask you to revise everything. So everything will be shown here: the amount, the rate, the fee, the method, the total cost. So all you have to do here is tap on the confirm button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll have successfully sold your Bitcoin or any other form of coin on crypto.com. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.